Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about best paid survey sites in 2022 that actually pay. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. If you type best survey sites into Google, you will get average results like MyPoints, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, and Swagbucks. That made me think. Some people think that these are the best sites for surveys. Most of these are, at best, average, and I can only think of two reasons for this. One, the writer has no idea what they are talking about. They probably don't fill out surveys themselves, and this article was probably written on a whim. Two, the survey site doesn't have an affiliate program, so it's not on the best list. From what I know, there is no order to do this list. All of these sites are pretty good, so if you want to do surveys online effectively, you should pick a few of them. So guys, before we get started, here are the best survey sites that I actually use. Swagbucks comes in at number 1 on our list of recommended websites. Earning money with Swagbucks is one of my methods. Swagbucks is only a website that provides its users with the opportunity to earn money. Because it is the most popular paid website on the internet, it will provide you with an abundance of opportunities to make money. You are familiar with the kinds of services that I'm referring to, such as cashback, survey chances, and other possibilities of a similar nature. Aside from that, redeeming your points is simple, which is another reason why this is a great website to use if you want to take part in online surveys. If you want to be paid for your opinions, this is the website for you. Prolific.com is the second website. The website in question, to put it bluntly, conducts surveys on behalf of educational institutions. This means that, unlike more traditional market research methodologies, the subjects addressed in these surveys might come from a variety of fields taught at academic institutions. The simplicity of use and cash remuneration are the two factors that I consider while determining whether or not to use a certain survey website. On each of them, there are multiple check marks, and it truly brings up the third one that is present. Let's have a look at some of the surveys that are really rather fascinating. When converted to dollars, the value of 5 minutes to 4.26 pounds is probably equivalent to $5. The following are the sums that were found to be the most often reported in the survey. The choices are 4.18, 5.98, or 8.22 pounds in total weight. These are the usual wage levels that are given by polls taken on Prolific.com. The Pinecone Research website comes in at number 3 on my list. This website will pay you $3 for each survey that you complete, and each survey will take around 15 minutes of your time. The convenience of Pinecone Research lies in the fact that it is not necessary to visit the company's website in order to participate in a survey. You will merely receive an email when one becomes available. When they talk about new products that have not yet been released to the market, such as some new menu items at Taco Bell, the surveys may be rather interesting. They may even offer to give you a free sample which you will use and then complete a survey on. One example of this would be when they discuss new goods that have not yet been launched on the market. The user testing website is the fourth one. On this website, you will be asked to provide feedback about other websites, products, and services. The compensation for user testing is, all things considered, rather satisfactory. It is possible that you will be paid $10 for each completed exam, which consists of nothing more than a tape and some written follow-up questions. However, it is possible that you will be paid as much as $120 for one of those sessions if you participate in a live chat and provide comments. As a consequence of this, user testing is a far more effective method of collecting revenue than conventional online survey sites. The fifth is MTurk, which stands for Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's essentially a massive marketplace with a variety of things to choose from, including surveys. You are compensated for all of these duties, so you start with the low-paying jobs on MTurk. You must do a large number of lower-paying jobs in order to qualify for the higher-paying positions, and I don't mean 20 or 100. You must do 1,000 of these jobs in order to qualify for the higher-paying employment. I don't use it because of this. The responder is another of those video interview survey kinds of stuff. If you qualify for an interview, you may earn a lot of money. Sixth option is CrowdTap, which rewards you with points for each question and response you provide. The questions are often of the multiple choice kind, which makes it straightforward to provide a response. I haven't used this in quite some time. Nevertheless, it seems that there are more projects accessible once again, and thus I may give it another go. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. There are other surveys accessible on mobile applications such as the ones that I use, which may not pay a lot but are so simple that you may as well participate. The first app is called Dscout, and it's an app. They feature traditional surveys that pay handsomely as well as video interviews that you might qualify for. You videotape yourself on your phone, answer their questions, and provide comments, after which you get compensated. There are surveys that pay $150. Clearly, they aren't the shortest. They'll take a bit longer, but they'll surely pay more than the minimum wage. Don't, however, leave your work. You have no idea which ones you'll be eligible for. You'll be highly compensated. The second application is known as Google Opinion Rewards, and the only time I have to use it is when I get a notification about it. Because it only contains surveys from Google, it can really be called a one-of-a-kind app. The third application is known as QMe. If a survey is lying about something or is simply not providing the complete truth, then it will have its own unique warning indicators to flag this fact. They give highly precise timing that is based on the length of time it took previous participants to complete the survey. And they provide caution flags on the surveys that identify difficulties. On account of its two distinguishing features, the warning and the time alone, QMe is preferable to any of the other common survey sites. One of the reasons why I like using QMe is because of this feature. The fourth app that I like is called SurveyMonkey Rewards. Just like Google Opinion Rewards, you can set notifications with this app, and sure, with this app, you might earn 20 cents or 45 cents a dollar if a survey pops up. But they're so easy and they're usually just multiple choice questions, so it's really a no-brainer if you want to be doing easy surveys. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.